thing that ties us together, and that is paper is the core contributor of each of our livelihoods. So today I'm going to share a little bit about how paper adds to our livelihood at Canpack. Canpack is a provider of the last mile solution for the consumer experience. So that may be through the cartons that we supply or the bags that we supply. We have two subsidiary companies under Canpack, which is what I'm going to be talking about more in depth today. The first one is called Sweet Disp, and this company focuses on food service packaging. So that's the last mile consumer experience in food service sector. And we also have Altpack, which focuses on the last mile consumer experience in the e-commerce segment. I'm going to showcase some products that we manufacture under these names. So let's start with Sweet Disp. What I have presented here on the left side is the widely used paper plate in the Indian street vendor market. I'm sure a lot of you have had the opportunity to eat a vada pav on the street. And this is the kind of paper plate that is used. I would like to rephrase that actually. It's not a paper plate, it's a plastic plate. And it's also made using hazardous inks and chemicals, which ideally a human being should not be consuming upon. So we have come up with a solution using FBB board. A lot of people here are from the craft industry, so I apologize for not showing the product from the craft line. But this product is 100% food safe certified raw material, also has a 100% food safe certified coating on it. And the idea is that we replace the commonly used single plastic layer printed plate, which is made out of waste, with this much better for the environment as well for the human health. Another product that we make is the pizza box, that is more in line with the corrugation specific crowd here. This is also supplied to various brands. These are some of the alternative uses that we've come up with within the food service industry. I'm going to move on to the e-commerce segment now. So via Altpack, Canpack produces mailer bags. These bags are used in delivery. Now this industry has seen a lot of development in the last few years. Delivery was considered almost always done in boxes. As companies are now finding measures to cut costs, people have moved on to plastic bags first and now paper bags, which is where Altpack comes in. And then we come to retail paper bags. So these are the bags that you would shop in at maybe a Pantaloons or a West Side, or even at a restaurant when you take away food. So these are the products that we are manufacturing, and I'd like to tell you that one of the reasons that we have been able to do this is because we have focused on the buzzword sustainability when we talk to our clients, and also we've received the same feedback from the clients. They want to switch to paper because of sustainability. Now everyone has been saying this sustainability since the last 5 years. I want to talk a little bit about why it is sustainable. Now, one aspect of sustainability is in the raw material production process, and the second aspect is in waste disposal. In a country like India, we are very much focused on the waste disposal aspect. There are 4 ways that waste is primarily disposed: incineration, recycling, composting, and landfill. The main competition that paper products get is from plastics, and the benefit that paper has over plastics is that it can be recycled much more widely, because the cost of recycling paper and the infrastructure to recycle paper is already present in our country. It is compostable, which plastics are not. When incinerated, it releases less carbon emission than plastics do. Plastics incineration is very, very hazardous as compared to paper. And in the landfills and during composting, it decomposes much faster than plastics. This is why everyone has moved towards paper in the recent years. But I have to say, it will not go on for too long if recycled plastics come in the way that they are proposed to come in, the way that other countries in the globe have adopted them. And some of the benefits that we are getting from paper products in the waste disposal segment will go away. So what can we as the paper industry do to continue this trend, to continue the acceptance of paper products in the consumer markets? There are three key things to focus upon from my understanding. One, when products go into the hand of a consumer, being odor-free is an absolute necessity. Now there are a lot of mills in India who have the technology to provide odor-free paper, and we source it regularly. But I mentioned this point so insistently because we need to adopt this practice in a more widespread manner across the industry, even at smaller mills, across all regions. Another thing to focus upon is a higher water resistance property in our paper. That is something that plastics have inherently as a property of that material, which paper doesn't. Now we can reach a higher water resistance property by adding the right water repellent coatings or in the production process by producing a higher quality of paper. So this is what we need to do so that the acceptance of paper, the trend that is going on right now, continues. And finally, puncture resistance. Now none of these are rocket sciences. They're already being done. The more technologically advanced plants of India are already doing this. But I insist upon these points here because we need to do them widely as an industry. And the key reason is, over time, when in the next 3 years, when paper bags are in everyone's hands, when our food service packaging is in everyone's hands, the negative aspects of these products are going to be very, very visible. And if the higher quality products are not widely available, people will move on and the trend of sticking with paper will go away. Recycled plastics are already in full flow, and a lot of the products that we work on are going to get replaced by recycled plastics simply because of the fact that plastic is a flexible product. The application of the product in the uses that I talked about is much more friendlier than a paper application. So if as an industry we focus on these 3 points, if we ensure that the consumer does not face these issues when they use our products, the trend will carry on, and that was the main purpose of my speaking today. So I thank you very much for the time that you provided.